Hi everyone, this is Akshay, your product expert at Learnyst. So as you know that we have started a series which is only for the website development and website building. So we have completed few sessions, and the last session which we completed was for the widgets which is available in the Learnyst website. Now today we will be continuing with the same widgets basically, and in the previous video we have completed the two widgets, which was the main one. One was the navigation bar. We have understood the how to use the navigation, what are the things which are included in the navigation, and we have also completed the footer as well. And today we will be exploring the other widgets which is available. So let's get started. So we'll open the website builder first. So first of all, in my screen you can see I have already opened a particular landing page which I was currently working. So in the previous session which we have already completed the navigation bar, now we will be adding some of the widgets which is available in the Learnyst website builder. So we'll just click on the widget option which is here. You can see here the icon is available. We'll click on the first thing. Now first let's select the sales card option. So sales card is basically a single list of a particular course which you want to show in a particular template. Like this, it will be coming. So since it is directly connected with the LMS, you just have to click here and it will be asking you to connect with the LMS. So if I just click here and select any of my products, like for example, if I select this one product, and it will ask me which pricing plan you want to show it. And if you want to have any action event, if I click on that particular image, what will going to happen? To go to the product detail, product checkout page, or a particular link, I'll ask it to do it to the product detail page. Now if you want to hide some images, title, validity, or something like that, there is a thing which is available. Buy button text, I can add it, get it now, for example, and color is also available. Let's see how it looks. So it looks like this, and yeah. And if I change the image color to understand how it is looking right now, so anyhow it looks like this, you can see. So this is the get it now. The button is basically whatever the button text you will be coming, it will be reflecting here. So this is the general way to show a particular product in your web page or a landing page. Now this is the general use case of this sales card. So just to show some of the product. Now moving ahead, we'll just delete this. Now we'll work on the different widgets. Next widget is basically the product list. So this is a very unique to show a particular set of courses which you want to show, and it will also reflect in that way that whatever the courses you want to show, it will be reflecting. So if I just show you, if I click here, it will ask me to connect to the LMS. So for example, I am working on the test series or a mock test which I want to show. So it will ask me to select the product or a bundle. Now select a particular kind of a product that you want to show. So for example, if I want to work on the test series part, now it will ask me to do the color changes and all. So let's see, in a particular row, I want to show, for example, 4 courses. I'll keep the font size border within a pixel the same way which is already been there. I'll also do the same with the same border radius as well. Now let's just save it. So it will directly show the list of the courses which you want to show accordingly. If I also select there is a 4 and 6 I want to show in a particular row itself, I'll select it again. I'll ask to connect with me and connect to the LMS, and add as a card per line will be 6. Now when I select this will be coming like this. So automatically if you select or paste anything, if you click any of the product, it will be redirected to the product page. You can also adjust the height width as well. So if I go with the 300 width, it will go like this. If I go with the 3000, it will go like this. So accordingly, you can work on the pixels with the width or the heights you want to show it. So yeah, this is the basically thing. And even if you want to do the spacing as well, we have a top and pixels that can be used. And the most important part is that if you don't want to work on the pixel, we also have a different way to change the settings. We have a percentage base as well. We also have different types of tools which is available to change the width or the height or something. You want to use the tool in that way. So we have added and we also, if you want to do the color changes, text color changes. If you want to also show the borders and all, corners, how it will looking. So it's a more you can say this advanced tool. You can get it if you are a more technical, you are working with a team, or you have a particular person who knows about these functionality very well with respect to the advanced setting option. We have given the editor mode advanced settings option that can be used in that way itself. However, I will suggest to just click use the widget on the go itself. You select the widget, you add the product, and it will be ready to available. I'll just delete this. I'll go to the next widget which is available. Next we have a pricing plan widget. Now pricing plan shows the particular pricing which is generally available. So if I select this, I'll go up, connect with my LMS. Now I'll just select any of the courses. So for example, I'll go with the UPSC part again. I'll select this course, one-time payment plan. I'll just select any of this. I'll keep the setting as same. Let's see what happens. So if you only want to show the pricing plan, if you are working on a particular the whole set of template, or a particular page you are working and you just want to show the pricing, and it will be redirected to the product detail page, you can only show the pricing page itself. And again, you can just click here and the advanced setting option will be available, where you can change the text, border, corners, shadows, more advanced settings which is available right now. So yeah, so we also have these things also available. So yeah, next moving ahead, we have the other widgets. We'll go to the pricing plan list. So you want to show a set of the pricing, we also have that as well. I'll just connect with my LMS. I'll select some course like this. Let's select a particular course. I've selected a course. So if you in that particular course, you have a different pricing point. It can be limited pricing, or it can be some one-time payment plan. Is this installment payment plan? So these kind of pricing, if you have, it will be visible like this. So this is the set I have already created like the plan. So it will be visible like this. By this, we can understand that basically once you have selected this particular widget, all the pricing plan list will be coming if you have a particular course, and in that course if you have a different pricing plan, and you can show accordingly based on the pricing plan. So this was the feature widget pricing plan list. Now moving ahead, we'll just close it immediately. Okay, now moving ahead, we'll go to we have completed the sales card, product list, pricing plan list. Now we will be going to the forms. Now this is a very interesting widget which collects the data. It works as a lead magnet. It attracts the customer to fill the form. You collect the data and you can use for the marketing purposes. So this is very interesting. So we have already released a video which is related to the form, how you can create a form and how you can publish it, how it will be working. So you can see the previous videos which is available. However, how it will be used in this website, we will be coming up here now. Now, once you have selected the widget of the form, you can just click here in this particular form, connect to the LMS. So whatever the form which is already been there, you can just click on the form and make a save. So automatically this form will be working with this. And again, we have a advanced settings option which is available for all the details which you want to do that. More or less, the forms look like this. You have where you can enter the email ID, name, phone number, and interest. The drop-down menus will be available in the interest section, or you can create by your own. And these data will be collected in the admin dashboard itself under the report section. So you can see these data as well. So this is a very good widget which can be used to collect the data and lead. It works as a lead magnet. Now moving ahead, next we will be going with the other widget which is known as the marketing event. Now suppose this is a very interesting, I think I should say this is a very interesting in terms of if you have any deadline to show or any upcoming event with a timeline you want to show to your particular set of group of people, and this can be used in a different landing pages and all. So suppose what I mean to say is that I'll go here in a particular admin dashboard, and I'll open if I have a plan to have a webinar session on this particular upcoming Sunday, for example. So what I want to show in this particular landing page is that a timeline, a timer should be, whenever the page will be open, updated timing will be showing up. So likewise, if I want to show it, I can create it. So where to create it? I need to go to the website and app, and in that I'll go to the marketing. I'll go to the event section. Now this is the event where you can work. So I'll create a new event here. Now this will be for the Sunday once on one session. Likewise, I can just add it. So this is a weekend session. Just a short description. Now where the timeline. So Sunday, so I've selected the Sunday, the time and date you can select it. So for example, if I want to conduct on like the 3 p.m, that works. I'll put the 0. Okay. 3 p.m. Now I'll select the PM here. I'll create this one now. So I've created a particular session which is there, and I'll publish this session. Likewise here. Now I've published it. Now when I'll be coming to this again, when I select this collect to LMS, I particularly select the event which is a Sunday one-on-one session. I make it save, and tada. So you can see a timer is already been there. So this can be used for a particular webinar session. If you are having you're creating a landing page of a webinar, or a offer you want to have, a Diwali offer or any kind of festival offer you want to show with a timeline, you can show it here itself. Grab this offer, join this webinar session, limited seats allocated. Likewise, you can use this marketing event. It's a very strong widget which can show a particular timer, and that can create a different euphoria for the students, and FOMO for a student. So it is a very nice tool, nice widget which I really like. So let's get started. You can also change this advanced setting option, how you like to look and feel of this particular thing. I can also change the background color. I can also choose the gradients as well if I want. So yeah, accordingly you can create it. So it looks like this. It has a timer. Now moving ahead, I'll just delete this. I'll go here. Now I'll just click on the widget option. Now moving ahead, we have completed the first 6 widget. Sales card, product list we have seen, pricing plan we have seen, pricing plan list we have seen, forms we have seen, marketing events we have seen. Now moving ahead to the FAQ. That's a very thing, just a FAQ you can create it. So we have done here, we just have to write it down. What is your name? Now, why we have given a particular section like this? Now, simply, if you are having a session, this looks like this. Automatically, when you are completing any bullet point, so I'll just show you. If I complete a bullet point, I write it here. Write so until this is a clickable thing that works. So if I just show a FAQ, all the data will be fetched like this. So again, it's a unique way to show something, clickable thing. So yeah, if I just show you, if I point my fingers here like this, cursor here, so someone is just clicking on this FAQ. What is in it? This is Akshay Kumar. If I click here, the data will be coming up. So that's a new way to show the frequently asked question. Earlier we had a list of the FAQs. People used to they can ignore as well, but right now this you can make more attractive. You can change the color. You can also change the question that you want to so that they can click, the student can click here itself. So that's a very unique way to show. Likewise here, and once this will be clicked, automatically the data will be showing up. So that's a unique way to show the FAQs and all. Now moving ahead, let's go to the changing color. Yeah. Now next, go to the next widget, which is known as syllabus list. Now this is a very interesting. If you have a particular a long syllabus for a particular course you want to show. So for example, I have a course which have a different syllabus, good number of sessions which is you want to show. So select a list on. So now when you select this particular widget, it will also ask you to show in a different way how you want to show in a different way. You want to only show the section list, lesson list, both section and lesson. Let's show the both things. So it looks like this. If you have a different session, this can be also, if I click here, it will be reopening here. So let me just save you and just show you how it looks so that you can also understand. So I'll just make a preview. So now I have redirected here. I'll go down. Okay. So here, if I select this, I can see my sessions. So that is working in a website. That's a very unique way to use this widgets. You are just coming into the website and you will be able to click. The more people click, the more engaging it becomes to have in a particular website. So that is our motto, so that the student can, the learners or any other people, visitors, basically, they should be spending more time in a particular website or a platform or any way. So the more people spend time, the more chances there to make a particular sale or buy a particular product and all. So that's the main way to introduce these kind of widgets which is available. So it looks like engaging as well. If I select this section, I can see that these are the section which is available. More or less, this is a very strong tool. I recommend to have this tool in your particular template, especially for the syllabus list that you want to show it. So that's a very powerful tool. I asked you can use it. Now if I want to show the section list as well, I can do that as well. So this will look like this. So now this will not be clickable, but you can see the section list and all. And if you only want to show the lesson list, I can show the lesson list as well. So these are the lessons which will be coming. So this is how you can do it right now. So more or less, this is a working thing. I'll just select the section list. I can show the section as well. I select both section and lesson. This will be also working on that way. So I want to show in that way, I can show in that way itself. So that's how you went working on that. So this is how you can start it. Now more or less, I'll go into the next widget which is available. So I'll go to the next list, which is the mark you. Now this is a very interesting tool which will looks like this. That's a very nice way to present any kind of offer or banner you want to use it. This can be go to the top and you can show, and this looks like this. This is rotating here and there, and that's a very nice widget. We have just introduced a new one. This is a new widget which is available. I really like it. So I'll just whatever changes you want to show, so I'll just change the color so that I can show in different way. Let's choose the highlight to the black. I can change into the black. Let's change to the black. Let's keep the gradient white, or let's done. I'll go to this font. I'll increase the font, or it's very big. Okay, 70, 60, 40, 32. Yeah, that looks. Oh, nice. That's like look cool. So yeah, so if you want to show like a banner like this is a very unique way to show. So that's, we have introduced this widget. That's a placement you can also set up in here. Or if I also want to change the settings, I can also change the font like this. Yeah, that looks cool. So yeah, accordingly you can use this marquee. This is a very new widget which is available right now. So I'll ask that you can use it right now. Yeah. So moving on to the next, again we have an advanced settings option which is available. If I click on the more option, which is click on the more option, we'll go to the settings. You can change the background color to, if I select blue, gradients, or I don't know gradients. If you want to add images as well, you can add it. So yeah, this is more or less how you can use it. I'll just explore. I've never explored the adding images, something like that. But let's see how it works. Okay. Now if I want to increase the height, so we also have an increase height option as well. Column gap is mix, and okay, now I can understand so how it is working. Yeah, so yeah, anyway, it's look cool. so you can also explore this. It's a very unique. Now moving ahead, we also have next widget which is available right now. We have a group menu option. Let's select the group menu. I'll just delete this one. Okay, now selecting a group. What is group? Basically it is directly connected with the element. So the group menu which we were creating, the mega menus. So mega menus, if you remember in the previous session, we created a dedicated video for the nav bar where we show the mega menus and all. So if I select this, yeah, so that part of a mega menu can come here if you want to show, or you want to show directly a list of menus rather than in a navigation bar. We can also do that. You can select a particular set of menu here itself, and that will be clickable. That can be also used. So yeah, more or less good only. Now moving ahead to the sign up form. So we have also created a sign up form. So if I just click connect to the LMS, select a form. So if you are, while you are creating a form, and there's an option which I'll just show you whenever you are creating a form, how this will be working. So if I just click here, while I'll be creating this form now, so I'll just create a form like this is a new form for new people, and this is a new way to get the data. Now this is important. Make this as a sign up form. Once this will be clicked and you create this form, and if I publish this form, and I've not done any changes because we already have a video. You can see what are the changes can be done. I'll just skip this. I'll ask to the connect, and the new form, the new people, it looks like this. So it's just a sign up page. Just enter your detail, signing, and you'll get to the learner portal. So that's another way to use the widgets. Now moving ahead, we have a ratings. So if you have ratings and all that you want to show in a particular LMS, if you have that you want to show, so yeah, I can just show like this 40. If I just select and add rating value to, for example, what will, oh nice. So for example, how this can be used, if I just select this, and now if I select a particular sales card here, and if I just make this okay, can I move it? So whenever I'm using it, I can connect to the LMS, and if I just 4.5 also works. Yeah, that works. So I can show a particular product like this. So it's either way, you can place up or down, that's up to you. The advanced settings is also available. So yeah, this is how you can show the ratings and in a particular courses while you are making, or any form you are creating, or anything which is for the marketing purpose. You can use this icon for the rating. This is a widget which can be used. Yeah, moving ahead to the next part, we have left with the 4 widgets which is available right now. We'll go with the ticket tape marquee. So what is this? Again, this is a ticket tape, but it also has some features. Now here the content. While you will be preparing some content, let's create a content. Just quickly create a content like this person. I select this one of the image like this. I'll add this. I'll process this image. So let's explore what is this. This is a very new thing which has been come up in the past days about the widgets which we are developing right now. So we have selected this image. Now this is uploaded. Now I'll just add something which is, hi there, my name is Akshay. Learnyst. Now I'll put the link also. Let's create a link then. I'll just add the learner link of my website itself. Okay, how it looks like this. I've added a content here. I'll do the same configuration for everything. Now already an image is there. I'll select a different image. For example, let's select a different image. I'll select this person. I'll process this image. So this image is a very high pixel. This has been added. Let's write something. Let's keep the same and just add the link. So here we have added. Now speed will go with the medium. Content 3, let's add this part as well, and this is also added. I'll add the link as well here. Let's go with the same flow. Now I've added some content. So separate and left to the right. Okay, let's see how it works. Now the earlier marquee had only the text option. Now here this will be clickable something. So let's save this and just check it out how it will be looking, and if there is any clickable thing that will be more more attractive than the previous marquee which we have done. So I just asked it for the preview. Let's open the preview. So the earlier marquee which we did was only having the text option. Now this marquee is the updated one where you can add images, you can add the text option, and you can also add the links as well. So let's get started and just show. So yeah, it's stopping in a particular position. See, yeah, that works. That's a good way. That's a good way. I really like this one. So you can add more marquees options as well. So this is very nice. So once it is completed, hi there is my name is Akshay. Nice. If I click here, it will be redirected to the learner portal. So this is a very good way to show the list as well, and you can also increase the I think the size as well. Yeah, so we can also have background colors. Images can be also be added here. We can also column gap can be 40. Yeah, so yeah, so basically it's the wave is very nice. So here also if I select, I can move up and down. Nice. I can also make a copy and clone as well. That is also available. So yeah, so it's a very nice widget. I really like the previous one, but this one looks more elegant, or I think should say more useful. So yeah, you can use this widget as well. Now moving ahead, we'll go to the verify certificate option. So this is okay. Yeah. So basically what it is, basically if you have any learner who has got the certificate, so they can also verify the certificate from here itself. So it is just a request from most of the customer which we have got, and they wanted that in our portal a particular widget should be there that automatically the student can come and they want to verify their certificate, or any organization they are working with, and the organization want to verify the certificate, and this can be giving you exact data here. So that's also a good way. You can collect, so particularly it's just an automation which we have already done from the backend. So here you will not get any other widgets like other tools to be available. You can just change the colors from here and here. That's up to you. Button text, yeah, that's it, I think. Yeah, so that is the only thing right now we have introduced. So automatically automation will be happening. So the people or the organization just have to add the certificate number here, and automatically it be verified. So let's just see in a random, if I put a random certificate number, does the job. Let's check. Okay, so let's select any random number. I'll add my phone number. So Okay, let's just check, verify. Yes, so that works. So that works. So yeah, so that's a nice thing, but mostly most of the particular area of institute or area of the field will be able to use that, but it's a nice feature. It can be used. Now moving ahead, we'll go to the second last is the cursor. Now this is I'm when this was launched and I was asked to check this. I really like this widget, and it's a very nice way to showcase any of the things. Like, it can be product, it can be video, it can be images. So if I want to show product, I can just go to the slide one option. I can select a product like this. I'll select the product. I can select action event, pricing plan as well. One is added. It will be asked me to select a particular second product. I'll select the second product as well. I can select the action event and the pricing plan. This is done. Now I'll go to the second. I'll go to the second. Okay, now I'm done. I'll select the last one. Okay, let's go to the product page. This is done. I can also show what is the number of the slides which you want to have, the slides speed as well, autoplay, show progress and show arrows and all. This is also there. So let's save it. Yeah, see, it's so cool. It's so cool. Actually, it is automated and it's rotating. We have seen the marquee. We have seen the ticker tape marquee as well. Now this is a cursor, and this is working so good. You can select any of the images as well. You can add the videos as well. You can add the products as well. That is actually a very nice way to presentation. I really liked it. I would also ask to use this feature a lot. This is a very good widget. Yeah. So now moving into the next one, the last one, we have the login form. Yeah. So already, since there is sign up form, basically when it's collected the data, it creates an account. This is a login form. Same works with the sign up. Look like that. The functionality is different, but the lookalike is the same way. So yeah. So we have completed a lot of widgets in this particular session. We have seen the sales card, product list, pricing plan, different kinds of forms, marketing events. We have seen the most. I think I have also recommended some of the widgets which can be used in a very different way. I've that's a new widget I have also explored. I really enjoyed. My favorite would be the cursor or the ticker tape marquee as well, and the marketing event. So show the timing. That's a very good way to present the landing pages and different website. So yeah, so this is how widget works. So this video was only for the widget part, and we have completed it. And I while I was giving this demo, I really enjoyed using the widgets. So I would recommend some of the widget. So yeah, so this video we have completed this. In the next video, we will be also looking at the section which is available right now, how this section and what are the uses of this section. We will be completing this in the next episode as well. So thanks for joining. I would recommend to watch the previous sessions as well, and the upcoming videos will be also coming soon. So thanks for joining, everyone. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Bye bye.